Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing the exact pixel dimensions that match your monitor. For example, 2560 x 1440 or 3840 x 2160, because matching pixels preserves sharpness. Next, use a high-quality source image or RAW file to avoid compression artifacts. You will get cleaner results. Open your editor, Photoshop, GIMP, or Affinity, and immediately create a new canvas at the chosen resolution. Once done, import the source image and set its layer to Smart Object or a non-destructive layer. Now refine the image. If the source is smaller, upscale using a dedicated AI upscaler or the editor's bicubic smoother to preserve edges. Always keep aspect ratio to prevent stretching. Then perform color correction. Adjust levels, curves, and vibrance, so tones look natural on your display. Use selective masks for local fixes. After colors, denoise conservatively to remove compression grain, then apply targeted sharpening to enhance detail without creating halos. Make sure to preview at 100% and toggle changes to confirm improvements. Finish by exporting in the right format. PNG for images with text or hard edges, high-quality JPEG at 9100 for photos, and embed the sRGB profile so colors match. Once exported, set the file as your desktop wallpaper and try scaling options, fill, fit, or center, to see which preserves composition without stretching. If something looks wrong, revert to your non-destructive file, reevaluate denoise and sharpening settings, reduce compression, or recrop. That quick rollback step fixes most quality problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.